I want you to think for a second. When was the last time that you cleaned your wallet? Has it been a day, a week, a year? Most people don't ever actually take the time to clean their wallet. And there's a simple reason. How do you even clean your wallet? There's no good way to clean a wallet. Each time you touch your wallet, you are exposing yourself to the viruses and bacteria that were on the cash money, credit cards, and ATM machines that your wallet came in contact with. Now, there's a solution. This is the Copper Clean Wallet. Copper, most famously used in pennies or the Statue of Liberty, exhibit what is known as an oligodynamic effect. Let me explain. The copper ions on the surface of our wallet interfere with normal cell functions and membrane integrity of the viruses and bacteria. We don't want germs living on our wallets. That's why we've created the Copper Clean Wallet. With our wallet, you never have to worry about viruses or bacteria lurking in your pockets, ever again. The Copper Clean Wallet can comfortably carry all of your credit cards, business cards, and cash, with 6 individual pockets. With its tough copper exterior, it also acts as an RFID blocking shield for extra security. The Copper Clean Wallet is also water resistant, making it easy to polish for a unique, germ-free shine. This is Andrew. He's a veteran, a martial artist, a handstander, and creator of the Copper Clean Wallet. When Andrew couldn't find a self-sterilizing wallet at any major retailer, he decided to create his own. He wanted a wallet that was self-sterilizing with a touch of luxury. The Copper Clean Wallet was born. In the world we live in today, why not make your wallet just one less thing to worry about? Andrew needs your help to make the world a cleaner, safer, and more stylish place. Pre-order your own Copper Wallet today for a limited time discount.